This is Alard item Y5667. It is a Paul O. Abbe double ribbon blender, 10 cubic feet, all stainless steel. Has a pneumatic dump gate discharge beneath. Let me see if I can. It has a hinged top cover, as you can see here. What you can't see, and I'll show you later, is a pouring grid. It has a control box with a safety interlock system that will cut power to the mixer if you open the lid. It has a 5 horsepower, 208, 230 volt, 3-phase drive. Emergency stop switches hither and yon. And it is variable speed. It is also in like new condition, and we are going to run it a little bit for you here just to show you how impressive it really is. This thing is built, as you can probably see, like Kim Kardashian. It is one voluptuous beauty and a very high quality piece of equipment in like new condition. I guess I can point out the pneumatic packing glands as well. But this thing is really just as clean as a whistle. First of all, we'll operate the discharge gate here. You can see the cylinder. Okay, go ahead now. I don't know exactly how well you can see. A little awkward unless I lay down on the floor. Up here at the 81-inch infeed height, there's a hinged cover, a safety pouring grid, and you can see those pretty double helix ribbons in there. So we're going to, don't do this at home. We are going to temporarily bypass the safety interlock system so we can show you the business end of this machine in motion. Fire it up, you'll see it has a nice soft start through the variable speed control. And again, you can see this mixing vessel is just nice and fresh and clean as a whistle. It's in beautiful condition. So, if you have any questions about what this mixer does or doesn't do or is good for, give us a call at 315-589-4511. We'll be happy to talk to you about it. In the meantime, once again, this is Alard item Y5667, a Paul O. Abbe Model RB-10, 10 cubic foot ribbon blender. Very sturdy, built like a tank, in like new condition. Excellent, like new, operational, mechanical, electrical, pneumatic, and cosmetic condition. Available for immediate shipment from Alard Equipment Company in Williamson, New York.